Hey guys, how I got back in the video. Today I'm doing a review on the Sounding Light Animated Love Machine robot. Transmission Love Machine. Animated Love Machine. Yeah. I think it's sold in the 2017 year of Halloween. Valentine's Day, I'm sorry. Yeah, I got this at Goodwill today for $2. Sorry about the late review, I just haven't had the time to do it yet. But it's pretty good. It works right in the store. It has tags and everything, so I'm surprised it worked. But yeah. So yeah, it sings Love Machine. And it's pretty cool. I'm glad I got it. It fully works too. Of course, it's just like practically brand new. So yeah, I'll play it for you. My first top and rock one. That's it for video. If you guys enjoyed it, bye guys.